Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to talk about summer fragrances that I just forgot about. Like, I've been using so much other stuff and getting newer stuff. I've either been buying new stuff or I've had other things in my collection that I've been waiting for this season to wear them, and now, you know, I'm getting to wear them, and these have just fell by the wayside. Just have not been thinking about them. Okay, so let me know if it's any summer fragrances in your collection you'd be like, girl, I just forgot all about that, let me go pull that out. Now let's be clear, all of these fragrances I do enjoy. I love having them in my collection. I enjoy when I wear them, except one I think it could go, but we'll talk about it when we get there. But yeah, other than that, like, I really do enjoy these fragrances. I just have not been reaching for them. So now that I pulled them out, I'm gonna put them on my tray back there so that I can, you know, give them some rotation. Okay, let's start with Soleil Blanc. Like, girl, I have not pulled this out since last year for sure, and I don't even know why, because I love it. It smells so good. Definitely one of my favorite vanilla coconut fragrances in my collection for sure. And I don't know, y'all, I just have not been thinking about her, but I'm definitely gonna get some wear out of it, because another time for it that I have not been reaching for since last year is Bitter Peach, and I pulled this one out too, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna layer these two together, and then that'll make me definitely reach for them at least once this summer, you know what I'm saying? But Bitter Peach is still that nice, boozy, juicy, dark peach, and it's still a hit for me. Like, I still love this, and I want to wear these together for a cute little, you know, hot night out, date night. Not super sexy, but definitely more of a, you know, chill. But I have on a really pretty dress still. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna wear these two to give me a tropical vibe. Poor little Deja Vu White Flower, honey. I have not been thinking about her. Like, forgot she was even in the collection for a second. I was like, ugh. I want to do a video of my favorite florals in my collection, so if y'all want me to do that video, make sure you like this video and let me know down in the comments, and I will get that video together for y'all. But yeah, girl, since I have Rosendo number 6 and Nolita recently, Windflowers, girl, I just have not been thinking about her. Have not. Of course, it's for my white floral lovers that like, of course, white florals and vanilla. And it does have some nice musk in here too. So this is definitely something that I'm going to wear, you know, to run errands and just do stuff like, you know, day-to-day stuff, because it's perfect for that. And this is one you could dress up or down. If you wanted to wear it like, you know, a little more dressed up, you absolutely could. So yeah, I need to pull her out and show her some love. Not sure what I'm going to layer her with yet, or if I'm going to just wear her on her own. But yeah, need to pull out Deja Vu. Speaking of poor little Deja Vu White Flower, honey, I ain't pulled out Yum. When I tested this out, I used this so much that I was like, okay, you know, I had my little fix with it, and I haven't really pulled it back out, but I went to go smell it like, ooh, girl, if you don't get your summer gourmand goodness over here, like, yes. I still get the citrus in there for sure, but it's creamy and marshmallowy, and it's got rum, so it's a little boozy, hazelnut, a little nutty. Like, I love this. I like told y'all in the video that I love this, so I need to pull it out so I can use it. And this is definitely something that I will wear for day to day and running errands, you know, something, you know, not too fancy, but it's also good for layering. So yeah, I'm gonna find a nice cute little summer, you know, casual date night, something to layer this with. This is the one that I'm not too sure about anymore. It is Val d'Afrique by Byredo. I was loving this a year ago, but now I'm like, I only like it when I layer it. When I layer it with something citrusy or fruity, I like it better than by itself now. The vetiver is just like kicking butt in here now, and I don't know why, but yeah, I mean, it still has that clean and fresh and, you know, just that just clean skin kind of scent, but very vetivery, is that a word? But still very woody. Still very woody, but still like clean and fresh at the same time. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and use it up. Of course, y'all know I don't be throwing nothing away. I'm gonna go ahead and use it up, find some layering combos for it. But this is one I forgot about, and I'm ready to completely forget about it for real. Loubidoo. I have not worn Loubidoo all summer, and where is my juice on here? Okay, I still got a good amount. Okay, it's still like right here, so good. But yeah, because these is not cheap, and this smells so good. I used to get a lot of compliments when I used to wear this. If you like Gold Coast from Bond Number 9, these are similar. This one is strawberries, rose, a little woody. But that one is like rose and apple, and, you know, more aquatic like. So yeah. So this one I still like. This one is really nice for any type of a date night, but not like super fancy. This is more of a pretty casual. You can wear this anytime, any place. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. So yeah, I really do like this fragrance, and it's like a easy reach. It's very feminine, very girly, especially if you're a rose lover. You would love this because it's just basically rose and strawberry and a little woodiness in there. So yeah, I need to pull this back out. Those two will actually be nice layered together. Gold Coast and Loubidoo. I'll have to try that. I'll report back. Madison Avenue. I have not worn her this summer, I believe. I don't believe I did. I think I might have worn her in the spring, but I don't recall. And that's the thing, I don't recall. So yeah, I gotta pull her back out. So I always tell y'all, this is like a girl wearing all pink, and she's pretty and powdery and full of life, and she's walking through a park. You definitely get greenness in here, powderiness, some florals, like pink florals though, you know. So this smells so good. This is something I would wear to brunch. This is definitely a brunch perfume for me, and that's why I'm gonna pull it out so I can wear it to brunch, because I like wearing this to brunch. Because y'all know one thing about me and Dad, we gonna go eat. Okay, we going to eat, we going to brunch, we going to dinner, we doing date night, we going to eat, girl. Speaking of date night, a real good one for summer date nights is Venom Incarnat by Stephane Humbert. This is so good. People really don't talk about this like they talk about God of Fire. I actually like this better than God of Fire, which I said when I did the review on the 3 that I have. This is strawberries and leather and caramel. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's got that, it's grounded with the leather. So I think if you don't like leather, you might still like this because the leather isn't heavy in here. But I would definitely say test it out first. Get you a sample to see how you would like it, because to me the leather is blended real nice. It's more of a buttery suede instead of like a harsh leather. But this is perfect for a date night. I would dress this up real cute, give this a whole red lip and all of that. Okay, not this particular red lip, but I would put this with a red lip, honey, and a cute little pullback ponytail, all black vibe. I can smell it in the air. I can smell it in the air. So yeah, I don't know if I would layer this with something. I'm gonna try some layering combos with this and see if I can make it a little sexier, a little spicier. We'll see. Lost in Paradise by Chris Collins. I have not talked about this in forever. Like, girl, it had dust on it and everything. I had to clean the dust off of it and everything. So this is for my vanilla coconut people that love, you know, those type of fragrances, because that's what you get. And you get a saltiness. It's like it's giving dinner on the beach. Absolutely date night, dinner, candlelit dinner on the beach. If you like Armani Privé, the blue turquoise, you would like this because they are so similar. I have both of them. I think Armani is a little more pepper like, but yeah, this one is a little more, I don't know. This is definitely unisex. A man or a woman can wear this. Some women may feel like this leans slightly more on the masculine side. I will say that too. But I think it's really pretty. Not pretty. I think it's really like a powerful fragrance, but it still has that soft coconut, vanilla, salty beach vibe at the same time. So that's why I said like a cute little candlelight dinner on the beach. You could definitely wear this for that. One of my favorite fruity fragrances. I did a fruity fragrance video not too long ago and pulled this out and did not leave it out so I can wear it. And it is Nectarine and Honey Blossom by Jo Malone. I know y'all love wood sage and sea salt this time of year. It's cute. It is cute. But this is my fruity, juicy, just watery, aquatic, fruity fragrance for the summer, and it just smells so good to me. Like, no, and nobody really talks about this one. But if you like fruity fragrances, fruity, sweet, aquatic fragrances, this is so good. The longevity on that was surprising to me. Like, it wasn't like beast mode lasting all day, all night or nothing like that, but it lasted way more hours than I thought it was. And now I got the body cream, so I definitely need to pull that out and wear that for the summer. That's one I like to wear to the cookout though. I like to wear that outside, outdoors, a picnic, something like that, you know. You get to the summertime gatherings, the fish fry on Friday, like that's something I could wear to that. I have not pulled out Sailing Day by Replica or Beach Walk. Both of these are a whole summertime vibe, but this one, I don't know why I have not pulled this out. This is perfect for running errands, morning, going to breakfast, stuff like that. Yeah, like this. Absolutely, this is something you could throw on in the summertime when you want to go work out, and this will be perfect for that for sure. This is that vanilla, that coconut, that saltiness. Like, that's this whole thing. Like, you really feel like you're walking on the beach. This has that perfect amount of salt to make you feel like it's the salt right on your skin. So I have always enjoyed this Replica for sure. And then Sailing Day is that more aquatic, marine type of scent. This one I would say is unisex, leaning slightly more masculine. I think I have not reached for this that much though, because I have Goldfield and Banks Pacific Rock Moss, and that one I love. That one is just like this, but that one is more refined, it's smoother, it's just blended better and all of that. This one is like a little bit more harsh, I ain't gonna lie. You know, but because the quality in that one is just so much better. But if you like marine like fragrances, salty water, salty skin type of fragrances, but not so much like the coconut sweet kind, then you could give this a try for sure. But Pacific Rock Moss, definitely get a sample of that for sure. Last but certainly not least is Delina. I have not been reaching for or thinking about Delina. And why, girl? Last summer I thought this was everything and a bag of chips. And it was, and it still is. It still is. Delina is definitely a classic for a reason for my rose lovers. I personally love the tartness from the rhubarb. I know that's like a hit or miss for some people. Some people don't like that, but I personally like it. It's what makes Delina stand out. But since I got La Rose, I really haven't been reaching for her this summer. So I can definitely reserve her for as it starts getting cooler. But you know, I'm going to pull her out and wear her. I'm going to let La Rose sit down for a little second and pull out the original OG. I'm going to wear her to brunch. If there's any, I don't have any summer weddings coming up that I know of. I do have some fall weddings to go to though. You can dress Delina up. You can dress Delina down. She can go to the baby shower, to the birthday dinner, to anywhere you want to take her. Okay. Delina can go. She just can. She has her ticket to go. Okay. So I'm going to pull Delina out and let La Rose have a break. Yeah. So those are the summer fragrances that your girl just forgot about. But when I started pulling them out, I was like, oh yeah, y'all need somewhere. Y'all need to get in the rotation because you are all so good. Except Ball Free. That could go. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.